Goldmine Fireball Machine, Precision Jewelry Bead Maker. The Goldmine Fireball Machine is designed for jewelers who want to produce perfectly shaped metal beads with professional precision. This 5-axis machine is especially effective for working with gold beads between 2 and 8 millimeters, allowing it to create smooth, uniform spheres used in high-end jewelry. Despite its advanced capabilities, the controls are straightforward, making it accessible even for small workshops or independent craftsmen. The machine is built for detailed work and consistent results, which is crucial in jewelry production, where accuracy and finish matter the most. Considering that the value of gold has increased dramatically over the decades, investing in a specialized tool like the Goldmine Fireball could help turn a garage jewelry setup into a profitable business. X-Tool F1 Ultra Advanced Laser Engraving System. The X-Tool F1 Ultra is a powerful engraving machine that combines a 20-watt fiber laser with a diode laser, making it the first engraver of its kind to merge these two technologies. Despite its compact size, it offers capabilities similar to industrial equipment, with an engraving area of 22 to 22 centimeters, one of the largest in its class. A built-in smart camera with autofocus and AI assistance simplifies the workflow, ensuring accurate positioning and consistent results. The machine can work with an impressive range of materials including titanium, stainless steel, gold, leather, wood, paper, and even food items like cookies. It can also cut wood up to 15 millimeters thick, expanding its creative possibilities even further. For entrepreneurs looking to produce customized gifts, branded merchandise, or decorative items, the X-Tool F1 Ultra offers huge business potential. The machine costs $3,600. Bamboo Lab H2D, high-tech 3D printing mini factory. The Bamboo Lab H2D is far more than a typical 3D printer. It functions like a compact manufacturing unit capable of producing not just prototypes, but fully finished products. From custom outfits and bike helmets to trendy sneakers, this machine opens the door to endless creative and commercial possibilities. It features 2 servo systems, 4 computer vision cameras, and 36 sensors working together through an intelligent algorithm that ensures precise and reliable printing. On top of that, it also supports laser cutting and engraving, giving creators the ability to design, customize, and manufacture a wide variety of items. For anyone dreaming of turning a garage into a high-tech mini workshop or launching a small product brand, the Bamboo Lab H2D offers a powerful start. The printer is priced at $255. Inari P35 Compact Plastic Injection Molding Machine. The Inari P35 is a powerful yet compact plastic injection molding machine designed to fit on a standard garage workbench. Despite its small footprint, it delivers around 2 tons of injection pressure and can reach temperatures of up to 320 degrees C, which is more than enough to manufacture durable plastic components. With this machine, you can produce items such as gears, propellers, tool handles, fishing lures, and many other custom plastic parts. It also supports engineering-grade plastics, allowing small creators to produce items that rival the quality of factory-made products. For entrepreneurs looking to launch a custom product brand or manufacture specialty components, the Inari P35 offers professional capabilities in a garage-friendly size. The machine is priced at $6,666. Tufting Gun. Start your own custom rug business. The tufting gun is a powerful yet easy-to-use tool designed for creating custom rugs quickly and efficiently. It works by punching through a rug backing and pulling yarn through the material, producing up to 40 stitches per second. This process forms the tufts that later become the soft pile of a finished rug. Because the gun maintains a consistent tuft height, it allows creators to produce professional-looking designs with smooth texture and even density. With the global carpet and rug market already worth over $55 billion and continuing to grow, a small garage rug workshop could become a profitable venture. The tufting gun itself costs only $158, making it one of the most affordable ways to enter the custom home decor market. Neoden Kit. Garage Circuit Board Production. The Neoden Kit is a compact system designed for small-scale circuit board manufacturing. perfect for electronics enthusiasts or startups working from a garage workshop. The kit includes a frameless precision printer with a 26x36 cm workspace, an automatic surface mount system capable of placing up to 5,000 components per hour, and a convection oven with 3 heating zones for accurate soldering. This setup makes it possible to prototype electronics and produce small batches of printed circuit boards without renting a large factory space. It's particularly useful for hardware startups, inventors, or makers developing new electronic devices. With the ability to manufacture and test designs in-house, the Neoden kit turns a simple garage into a mini electronics production lab. Bee-Box Urban Beekeeping Hive. The Bee-Box is a compact hive system designed specifically for urban beekeeping, making it possible to produce honey even in limited spaces like garages or balconies. With this setup, you can harvest around 30 kilograms of honey per year, turning a simple hobby into a small but steady business. Before starting, beginners can take short online or in-person training courses to learn the basics of beekeeping. One of the biggest advantages of the Bee-Box is its user-friendly design, which minimizes the need for heavy protective suits and complicated maintenance. Its compact structure also allows multiple hives to be placed in a small area. With natural honey always in demand, the Bee-Box provides an accessible way to step into the honey market. One hive costs $6.77. Balloon Surprise Machine, Creative Party Business Tool. The Balloon Surprise Machine from Balloonsy is designed to create decorative balloons filled with surprises, making it perfect for party planners and event businesses. With this machine, you can easily insert items such as small toys, gifts, or stuffed animals inside transparent balloons, creating a unique presentation that's popular at birthdays, weddings, and corporate events. It also works with Bobo balloons, which are often mounted on sticks and decorated with LED lights. The system is simple to use and requires no prior experience. Just follow the included instructions and watch a few tutorial videos. Considering the constant demand for party decorations and event entertainment, this machine can quickly turn a garage workspace into a small but profitable event supply business. The machine costs $400. PicoBrew Zymatic Smart Garage Craft Beer Brewery. The PicoBrew Zymatic system allows you to brew professional, quality craft beer right in your garage without needing a full-scale brewery setup. With an investment of around 2,000 hours, this machine transforms the complex whole grain brewing process into something simple and enjoyable. The system can even be controlled through a smartphone, making it incredibly convenient for beginners and experienced brewers alike. If you're unsure where to start, the platform provides access to more than 100 award-winning brewing recipes. In about 4 hours, the brewing process is complete, and the system includes a 19-liter keg, which makes it easy to sell your beer to local bars, festivals, or events. It's a great way to enter the craft beer market without expensive industrial equipment or years of training. Garmin Force Kraken. The Garmin Force Kraken is a powerful trolling motor designed for serious fishing enthusiasts who want greater control and precision while navigating their boats. This advanced motor combines strength with smart technology, allowing it not only to propel the boat, but also to guide it accurately using built-in navigation systems. With GPS and AHRS technology, the motor can maintain position, adjust direction, and help anglers stay exactly where they need to be. The motor delivers an impressive 45 kilograms of thrust, providing enough power to move boats smoothly even in challenging water conditions. It also supports wireless syncing with chart plotters, allowing users to integrate it into a complete navigation and fishing system. Because of its advanced features and reliability, the Garmin Force Kraken transforms fishing into a more strategic experience, helping anglers plan movements with precision. This high-end trolling motor is available for around $3,900. Deeper PRO Smart Fish Finder. The Deeper PRO offers a compact, castable smart fish finder that helps anglers locate fish with incredible accuracy. You simply attach it to your fishing line and cast it into the water, and it sends real-time sonar data directly to your smartphone. It shows fish location, depth, water temperature, and underwater structure, with a range of up to 100 meters and a scanning depth of 80 meters. It's perfect for shore fishing, kayak fishing, and ice fishing. Its wireless design and rechargeable battery make it extremely convenient. This smart device significantly improves your chances of a successful catch. Works electric screwdriver. The Works electric screwdriver is a compact and convenient tool designed to make everyday repairs and assembly tasks much easier. One of its most practical features is the rotating bit chamber that holds 6 different screwdriver bits. This allows users to switch between bits quickly without needing to search for separate attachments, making the tool highly efficient for quick fixes around the home. The screwdriver also features an ergonomic design, allowing it to be comfortably used with one hand for extended periods. Its rechargeable battery is designed for long-term reliability and can hold a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring the tool is ready whenever it is needed. With its simple design and practical functionality, the Works electric screwdriver is an affordable and useful gadget priced at around $35. KastKing Fishing Line Spooler. The KastKing Fishing Line Spooler makes installing fishing line onto reels fast, easy, and tangle-free. It keeps the line under perfect tension while spooling, preventing twists and knots. The tool is portable and works with different reel types, including spinning and baitcasting reels. Its strong clamp allows it to attach securely to tables, rods, or other surfaces. This gadget saves time and ensures your reel performs smoothly, making it useful for both beginners and professionals. Warn XT17 Portable Winch. The Warn XT17 is a compact and portable winch designed especially for lightweight vehicles such as motorcycles, ATVs, and small off-road machines. Despite its small size and weight of only 4 kg, it delivers an impressive pulling capacity of 770 kg. This strength comes from its advanced 3-stage planetary gear system, which provides an ideal balance between pulling power and operating speed. Its patented disc brake ensures safety by holding the load securely even when power is disconnected. Another major advantage of this winch is its 12-meter synthetic rope, which is much safer than traditional steel cables because it does not snap dangerously if it breaks. Instead, it simply falls to the ground. The winch can connect to any standard 12-volt battery, including those from motorcycles, ATVs, or cars. Users can control it with either a wired remote for precise handling or a switch mounted directly on the device for quick operation. Although it costs around $1,000, its reliability makes it extremely valuable for riders who travel alone in remote areas. NSX Factor Lift Straps. The NSX Factor Lift Straps are heavy-duty lifting straps designed to help riders lift their motorcycles safely and easily after a fall. These straps are made from double-layer nylon, providing exceptional strength and ensuring they do not slip or twist during use. This is especially important when lifting a heavy bike on muddy, steep, or uneven terrain where grip and stability are critical. The handles are covered with abrasion-resistant neoprene, making them comfortable to hold and durable enough to withstand repeated use over time. The straps are attached using high-strength bolts, including Class 12, 9 fasteners for the main mounting points, which are among the strongest available. Designed through collaboration between riders and engineers, these straps integrate seamlessly with the bike and look like original equipment. At a price of just $35, they provide an affordable and effective solution that reduces physical strain and improves safety during recovery. Factor 55 Rope Retention Pulley. The Factor 55 Rope Retention Pulley is an advanced recovery pulley designed to keep synthetic winch ropes securely in place during operation. One common problem with traditional pulleys is that the rope can slip out when it becomes loose, but this pulley solves that issue using special rubber fingers that hold the rope firmly inside the groove. This makes recovery operations safer and more reliable. The pulley is made from high-quality 6000 series aluminum with a military-grade anodized coating for durability. It also features a Teflon-coated contact surface that reduces friction and heat, protecting both the rope and the pulley. Despite weighing only 600 grams, it can handle loads up to 10 tons, making it extremely strong for its size. Priced at $115. It is an excellent tool for off-road recovery professionals who rely on synthetic winch ropes.